Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled NGC 3576, the Statue of Liberty Nebula. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a pattern of stars, gas, and dust in space that may resemble the Statue of Liberty, although others see it perhaps as a flying superhero or a weeping angel in space. Now it's just the patterns that we see from the gas and dust that are then illuminated and energized by the stars and give patterns in the sky. Do they really look like anything? No, they're just random patterns. But our minds like to put some kind of order to that randomness. So once somebody says it looks like something, we may see one or more of those ideas that I gave you here. Now, this is a star-forming region with dense dust clouds, the darker regions of dark nebulae, and other regions of emission where gases are energized by those hot stars that have formed within this region. Much of that gas would be hydrogen gas, which makes up 90% of the atoms in the entire universe. And we also see loops of material which are expelled by dying stars. So gas that is expelled outward and then energized and caused to glow by the hot stars that are forming there. Now within this we see several dozen massive stars at various stages of formation, from very early stages to later stages, but all still relatively young, and very massive stars, many times the mass of our own sun. Stars that will eventually become supernovae at some point and throw out more material, changing the shape of the nebula that we see. So what might be seen as the Statue of Liberty today, in tens of thousands of years, could be seen as something completely different. As more stars form, eat away at the material, stars explode and change the patterns that we see today. Now, one interesting thing that we see within these are known as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. And these are very interesting carbon molecules which may relate to life on Earth. So the fact that they're forming here in a star-forming region means that some of these carbon organic compounds, and very complex ones that form, not only formed here on Earth and helped to give rise to life at some point, but also have formed elsewhere in the universe, meaning that life may be very common in the universe, as the building blocks seem to be almost everywhere that we look, whether it be in star-forming regions like this, telling us maybe a little bit about the early formation of our solar system and life here on Earth, but also within our own solar system in various different areas, we can see these very complex molecules that form that here on Earth at least helped give rise to life, meaning that maybe life does exist out there, although to this day we have not had any confirmation of any other life outside of Earth. So that was our picture of the day, titled NGC 3576, the Statue of Liberty Nebula. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.